Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you things that are coming in and out of the shop. And today we have something sparkly to show you. So please go to our site, take a look at what we do, because we restore brass and silver. A lot of times folks forget that. And so here is a giant elephant. I mean, it's like what, 1/20th size or something like that, or 1/32nd. And the before picture you probably saw is remarkable how tarnished it was. And the customer's about to come and pick this up. He's going to be pretty shocked when he sees how beautiful the brass turned out. So thanks for watching.